Hello, this is Mr. Reyes, here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. So, we learned previously on a previous episode of math class, we learned that the circumference is this perimeter of a circle, where the distance it would take you, if you walked around the entire circle. So we learned the perimeter of a circle, basically, but we haven't learned the area yet. How do we measure how much space is all inside of here, like the whole area taken up by the circle? Well, the way we do that, the way we find it, is going to be similar, but at the same time not exactly the same as how we found the diameter. The circumference. If you remember, the circumference was equal to pi times the diameter. And the area is going to have a different formula. Is pi times the radius, but it doesn't stop there. Pi times the radius squared, or to the power of 2. So many people will say, oh, pi r squared. You'll hear that really often. Oh, a equals pi r squared. You say that, you're going to sound so smart. But also you're going to be smart, because saying it over and over again is going to help you memorize it. So let's say that this guy is this is 2 inches. That means the area, putting 2 in that formula, just like when we put the number in for Dice equations, a equals pi times 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is a pretty simple one. Pretty simple number to square if you remember how to square numbers. So 2 to the power of 2, 2 times itself is 4. So the area is pi times 4. Or you could say 4 pi. However, you would need to say square inches, because it's area. And when it's area, you always say square. I like to think area is squarea. Okay, it's a totally nonsense word, but it helps you memorize. So there's a way that I memorize these formulas, but I'll tell you in a different video. Let's focus on delta math for now. So the radius of a circle is 4 inches. So since it's the radius, we're going to multiply that by itself, because it's pi, area equals pi r squared. And I'll just write the 2 the same size, so it's usually going to be smaller. Pi r squared, so 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4. Yeah, I'll see if I can link a video on doing things to the power of 2 in the help sheet as well. So that means 16 pi square inches. Cool. Now this is where it gets tricky. The diameter of a circle is 20 feet. Go back here and let's make a new circle. We have a circle with a diameter 20 feet. But the thing is, we don't want the diameter, we want the radius. So you're going to have to divide that by 2. So 20 divided by 2 to find the radius, to put it in here, is 10. So we need pi times 10 to the power of 2. Do you know what 10 times 10 is? Yeah, it's 100. So 100 pi square feet. There we go.